What's up? Hello and good morning. Happy Tuesday, December 2nd. Right. So basically today is just a continuation of yesterday's errands day. So we still haven't completed a lot of things. So continuation lang ta today. So si Jory na nasa Pag-ibig. Yatog na si Kokoy sa office. So, makapas ko sa Pag-ibig ron because I need to change stuff pa there. And then maybe SSS after. And then Globe. And then, okay. So, I'll see what happens today. So, naga-skincare na day ko pa lang. But na-realize na ako na you come to a certain age na kailangan na day ka mag-skincare. Cause labi na pag mag-shave ko, madala mga what do you call this? Mga dead skin and dry gid kay siya. Right? So, as you get older, di pa naniguang, di pa pagyalagaan ng skin. So, Aveeno lang ta. Daily moisturizing lotion for your face. Fragrance free, get allergic to a lot of things. So yeah. Take you on today. Amot lang magiging ko na nag-watch ani, but yeah. For those who do, I'll take you today sa unsa pa mong kailangan buhaton. Okay. So let's see. So once get a hat. So usually go unsa may major color na ko mo pala choose. So try now. I'm wearing green. So we gotta use a green hat. So gift ni Jory and I love it. I love the color. Dua yung gift. So brown actually ang isa. So can be worn on a different day. And this bag as well is her gift. So yeah, pretty happy with it. And so for our scent today is one of my favorites, Sand Desert at Sunset from Zara EDP. So going back to Pag-ibig. So as I mentioned earlier, so nahatod na ako si Jory dito earlier after na paghatod kay Kokoy. Wala man ko naka-prepare dayon. So I just went home, took a bath, changed. Okay. Ako na po nang magpag-ibig. Just this done with her part. Changing status to voluntary payer. For both Pag-ibig and SSS. Since unemployed naman to for the past I don't know, for the past what na ba 2-3 months. Alright, so the road sa emergency hospital. Basically ang tinood niya na pangalan kay George P. Royeca. Pwede na ako may balan ni kung wala ko nag-call med-cert dali before. Kaya masing sila daw emergency hospital lang ito ilang tawagan eh. Ever since diri ang Pag-ibig Jensen branch. So let's call time check again. It's 9:29. Nana ko diri sa asa ko nagpark kanina. Uninig mo ko, hello? Union Bank. dito. Dito. So ako na po naman pag-ibig, i-drop na ako si Jory sa Union Bank. So hopefully, pas ra. So I'm here. Baba na ito mga unnecessary things sa bulsa. Papers. Wallet. Phone. Mga tani. So, see you in a bit. SM. So, 10:41. Is SM.
Kung if ever, kaya mauna ka na lang.
Waiting sa lube. Time check. It's 12:10 here outside Land Bank. Sundo na to Kopoy that we can have lunch. Soundtrack, me Cleaver. That's me dying sa Dark Lotus. Para naka-videoan, ba't nakita ming love kadali?
Love talaga, di pa kato yan. High school pa siya.
Asyan. Grilled nibuta. Angus beef udon. Truffle and cheese gyoza. And curry tonkatsu. The tendernism. Bosogans. Bugnaw. Now. Anyway, time check. It's 1:29. Aaron's day done. Aaron's day is done. So rest na. Ay magbiyahe na pod. Thursday. So Wednesday, the plan is just to relax. So see you guys in the next